Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have another vehicle which has been completely restored and ready to deliver it to our customer. This is a 540 Jeep 4x4 Mahindra 540 which has been completely remaked to a brand new one. So we are going to review this vehicle. Basically this is an old vehicle which has been completely painted, and we have upgraded this vehicle with power steering, then front disc brakes, open nickel, and you can just have a look at the body paint, which is a desert storm paint which has been added in this. And you can have a look at the overview of the vehicle. The overview of the vehicle is with a brand new JK tires, 31 into 10.5 into 15 and 139 PCD off-road rims. And you can just check out the body line and the bonnet and the fenders. So it's been completely been upgraded, and we have installed a brand new Gabriel shock absorbers, and this is the MRCBT power steering box in the brand new Uno Minda lights. So you can just check out how beautiful the vehicle is. And this vehicle is coming up with Rockslidders also been installed in this. Bolero mirrors, and this is the new soft top which has been added, a brand new soft top, and also inside seat covers and upholstery has also been updated. So you can just check out how beautiful the body line is. Mechanically the vehicle is running with the same old original engine 4x4. So you can just check, very neatly done up. So all 5 set of tires are from JK, 31 into 10.5 into 15 off-roading tires with off-roading rims. And this vehicle is a makeover at JeepZone Bangalore. So anybody who is really interested to restore their Jeeps in Bangalore can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. So I'll be showing you the interiors also. The brand new glass is also been installed on this. So we have installed a brand new door pads, and you can just check out inside, brand new tarpaulin and seat covers. So totally a done up vehicle which is ready for a delivery for our customer. And JK tires are coming up with a good range of empty tires right now for our Jeeps as well as Gypsies. So we prefer JK tire, which is an Indian make. So you can just check out the button pattern, very well made in India itself. So we are trying to install only JK tires in all our vehicles. So anybody who is really interested to restore their Jeeps in Bangalore can contact us on our number. That's 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you and have a great day.